Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will break down the pros and cons of Shopify and WordPress, comparing their features, pricing, ease of use, and flexibility. So you can pick the platform that works best for you, whether you're building a full-blown e-commerce store or a content-rich website. We will help you figure out which platform is your perfect match. Let's begin. Let's begin with Shopify. It is a leading e-commerce platform designed to help businesses of all sizes create and manage online stores. It provides an easy-to-use interface for setting up, customizing, and running a store, including handling products, payments, and shipping. Matter of fact, we have covered a lot of Shopify topics in our G Plabs YouTube channel that you might want to check out. And while at it, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications in our latest content. Now, if you are interested about the pricing for Shopify before you create a free trial account, you see, the basic starts at $19, which gives you all these perks and benefits. All right. The next from that is going to be the Shopify for small teams, which is $49. You can try all of these with these standout features. The advanced comes at $299. Comes with all of these perks and benefits. And the last is going to be the Shopify Plus plans, which is $2,300. But if I highly suggest you contact a sales professionals, book a demo, and schedule a call before you commit into this big contract. All right. But of course, what we can do for now is try for free option. Click on the start free trial. You would be forwarded this options for you. You can sign up with your personal or business email, sign up with Google, Apple, and Facebook. Once you have successfully created your account on Shopify, you should be able to receive a welcome email from the team and click the login to your store. And then all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. All right, you would be forwarded to the main dashboard. Just click the decide later. Now you see, one of the main key features of Shopify is that it is built specifically for selling products online, offering robust tools for managing inventory, product variations, pricing, and discounts. When you go to the left side panel of your dashboard, you might want to click the product section and start to build a product that you wanted to sell. All right. If you wanted, you can choose the import section. You can import products by CSV or download a sample CSV and start your work from there. But you can also add a product manually, wherein we can type in the title. All right. You can upload say for example, a custom images for that. You can put a specific pricing. Also the compare at pricing if you want. Cost per item, and from here, all right, you would be able to click on save and you have created your first product here. That's one way for you to do that. Now, in terms of the creating a professional mobile responsive themes that users can customize to suit their brands and products, I want you to go to the online store right here, sales channels. Click that. You should be forwarded to this section. Right, you can start to begin your online store and choose from any of the themes that Shopify has to offer. Right now, we're using the Dawn theme, but these are the most popular free themes that you can use. Dawn, Spotlight, Craft, or if you want to explore more themes, click the Visit Theme Store. You see, you can choose from any of the following themes that you can use as the base default for your website. You can opt for the free ones right here, or if you wanted, you can also choose the paid ones, which comes with a very intuitive design and very creative interface, mobile responsive, and you have all of that. Now, not only that, you can also go to the section wherein you see there's an option that says add apps. The Shopify's App Store has thousands of apps to extend the platform's functionality. If you click on the Shopify App Store, you can search for any apps that is going to be helpful for your store. Say, for example, advanced analytics, customer support features, or additional marketing tools. They also have the 24/7 customer support, offering round-the-clock customer service live via chat, email, and phone. All right, now we head over to our next contender, which is WordPress is a popular content management system or CMS used to create and manage websites. It is an open source platform, meaning it's free to use and highly customizable, making it one of the most widely used website building tools in the world, which, of course, here in GPLAP's channel, we are using it as well, along with Shopify. So we have the credibility to compare these platforms. Now, essentially, all I have to do is click the Get Started button. It's very easy to create an account here. You can use either of your Google account, if you have your Apple, your GitHub, or continue with your email. And then by following the on-screen instructions, you'll be able to receive a welcome email from WordPress.com that your account was successfully created. And click the option here to log into your account. Now, once you have logged into your account, you see it is one of the open source, free to use, with a large community of developers contributing to its continuous improvement. On the left side panel of your dashboard, you can see the appearance, wherein you can click the themes. WordPress offers thousands of themes, both free and premium, to change the design and layout of your site. For example, you're going to be choosing something like maybe this one, the batch. Click the info right here. If you do that, you should be able to click the preview and customize if you wanted. So you can have the option to build around it with your preferences and style to best suit your logo or brand identity. All right, click the start customizing, and there's that. All right. One of the key features again from here on WordPress is the plugins. I'm gonna skip that for now because I'll leave this to you once you've tried to explore the website builder or editor. In the left side, there is a section that says plugins. One of the WordPress standout features is its vast library of plugins, over 50,000, which allows you to add functionalities such as SEO optimization, social media integration, e-commerce with WooCommerce, and a lot more. Now, our verdict is that you use WordPress if you are comfortable with technology, all right? Because if you want to have a full control over your site or need to combine e-commerce with extensive content features. On the other hand, you choose Shopify if you want a streamlined e-commerce platform that works out of the box with minimal setup and maintenance. But again, ultimately, choosing between Shopify and WordPress depends on your specific needs, skills, budget, and the type of website you are building. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.